इसके बाद एबेक्स,
एक मिनट
इसके बाद एबेक्स एबेक्स, इसके बाद मीटिंग्स, स्टार्ट मीटिंग, your device lost its internet connection. Invite the boys.
हो गया सर, स्टार्ट हो गया।
नहीं, वो ऑडियो तो साउंड नहीं आ रहा है बोला है तो कभी कभी बच्चों ने।
उधर आएगा सर, इधर हमें कैसे देखेंगे?
हाँ,
आएगा उधर आएगा।
अभी स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं। ये इसको करना पड़ेगा ना, ये रेड बार
आ गया सर स्टार्ट।
लेसन पढ़ा सकते हैं डायरेक्ट।
स्टार्ट हुआ है ना, पढ़ाई आगे।
हाँ, लेसन पढ़ सकते हैं। Okay, boys, we will start the topic. Yesterday we have discussed about human interactions, tropical and subtropical regions. Okay, we should know this topic. Just I will revise. Listen, tropical regions. Tropical region lies between 0 degrees to 10 degrees north and south of the equator. So, the places, the countries which are lying from 0 degrees to 10 degrees of north and south of the equator. Okay, so we call it as a equatorial region. We call it as a equatorial region. Correct? So, equatorial region. So, for example, take Africa, of continent of Africa, North America, Asian continent. These are all in the equatorial zone. Normally, in this zone, temperature is very, very high and rainfall also very high. Therefore, due to these climatic conditions, the trees, the vegetation grows very thickly and very, very high. So, therefore, these forests we call it as a equatorial forest. We call it as a equatorial forest. We call it as a equatorial forest. So, in this forest, yes, you can say tropical zone. So, in this region, 0 to 10 degrees, Amazon basin. Amazon in the equatorial forest, Amazon basin is the most important basin. It's the biggest basin in the world. Amazon basin, which is situated in the South American continent. South American continent. That's what already I told you yesterday. Yes. Now, children, for the sake of knowledge, when you are discussing about this continent, South America, you should know about what is the position of South America. South America, according to area, it is the fifth biggest continent in the world. South America is fifth biggest continent in the world. At the same time, if you see the political map is, so this continent contains around 13 countries or there is. We should know. It is very, very important for general knowledge. We should know which all the countries belongs to South America. So this class will discuss only about the countries and their capitals, right? Countries and capitals. That is we call it the political map. We will discuss about political map, which all the countries are there in the South American continent and their capitals will discuss. Yeah. South America is the fifth biggest continent in the world and it contains 13 countries are there. 13 countries are there in South American continent. Number 1, Paraguay, Uruguay, Argentina, Chile, Ecuador, Brazil, Colombo, Venezuela, Peru, Guyana, French Guyana, and Suriname. These are the 13 countries are there. There are 13 countries are there in South American continent. How many? 13. 13 countries are there in South American continent. Once again, I'll repeat. You write down, please. Uruguay, Paraguay, Argentina, Chile, Peru, Ecuador, Brazil, Venezuela, Guyana, French Guyana, and Suriname. So among all those countries, Brazil, the most important country. So this what we discussed, Amazon basin. So Amazon basin also located north of the Brazil country. North of the Brazil and towards Amazon basin, Brazil is there. Towards north, Guyana, French Guyana, Venezuela, Colombia, these are the countries are there, yes. So Brazil, Amazon basin is one of the biggest basin in the world. Let us, I'll repeat once again, which are the countries located in the South American continent. Paraguay, Uruguay, Argentina, Chile, Brazil, Venezuela, Peru, Ecuador, Guyana, French Guyana, Suriname. So there are total 13 countries are there. There are how many are there? 13 countries are there, yes. Now we will discuss about the capitals. We will discuss about capital. Make a note, otherwise you write down. First one is Paraguay. Paraguay, Asuncion. Paraguay, Asuncion. Uruguay, Montevideo. Paraguay, Asuncion. Uruguay, Montevideo. Uruguay, Montevideo. Paraguay, Asuncion. Uruguay, Montevideo. Chile, Santiago. Chile, Santiago. Argentina, Buenos Aires. Argentina, Buenos Aires. Paraguay, Asuncion. Uruguay, Montevideo. Argentina, Buenos Aires. Chile, Santiago. Argentina, Buenos Aires. Chile, Santiago. Paraguay, Asuncion. Uruguay, Montevideo. Brazil, Brasilia. Brazil, Brasilia. Venezuela, Caracas. Venezuela, Caracas. Colombia, Bogota. Colombia, Bogota. Ecuador, Quito. Ecuador, Quito. Guyana, Georgetown. Guyana, Georgetown. Suriname, Paramaribo. French Guyana, Cane. Guyana capital is Georgetown. Suriname, Paramaribo. French Guyana, Cane. Guyana, French Guyana, Suriname. These three are the northernmost part of the South American continent. Guyana, French Guyana, and Suriname. Suriname, the northernmost part of the South American continent. What is the capital of Guyana? Georgetown. Georgetown is the capital of Guyana. French Guyana, Cane. Cane is the capital of French Guyana. Cane is the capital of French Guyana. Then Suriname, Paramaribo. Suriname, Paramaribo. Brazil, Brasilia. Ecuador, Ecuador, Quito. The capital of Ecuador is Quito, not Equator. Equator is different. That is the imaginary line. Here, Ecuador, it is a country. Ecuador is a country which lies in the South American continent. Don't confuse Ecuador and Equator. Equator is a latitude, important latitude, big latitude. This is Ecuador. Ecuador is a country which lies in the western part of the South American continent. Ecuador capital is Quito. Ecuador, Quito. The capital of Ecuador is Quito. Peru. Next come to Peru. Peru capital is Lima. Peru, Lima. Lima is the capital of Peru. Venezuela. Venezuela, Caracas. Venezuela is a Caracas. Venezuela, Caracas. Venezuela, Caracas. Right? Venezuela, Caracas. Venezuela, Caracas. Brazil, Brasilia. Colombo, Bogota. Peru, Lima. Brazil, Brasilia. Paraguay, capital is Asuncion. Uruguay, Montevideo. Uruguay capital is Montevideo. So there are 13 countries are there. 13 countries are there in South American continent. We should remember all these countries and you should know the capitals, the headquarters of all these countries. Paraguay, Asuncion. Uruguay, Montevideo. Chile, Santiago. Argentina, Buenos Aires. Argentina capital is Buenos Aires. Brazil, Brasilia. Brazil is Brasilia. Brazil, Brasilia. Venezuela, Caracas. Venezuela, Caracas. Peru, Lima. Peru, Lima. Colombo, Bogota. Colombia, Bogota. Guyana, Guyana capital is Georgetown. Guyana, 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 Georgetown. Guyana, Georgetown. French Guyana, Cane. French Guyana, Cane. French Guyana, Cane. French Guyana, Cane. And Suriname. Suriname is Paramaribo. Paramaribo. So it's the fifth largest continent in the world. So this continent, the Amazon basin is located. So this Amazon basin located in the tropical region, that is 0 degrees to 10 degrees north and south of the equator. north and south of the equator. So in this zone, complete international equatorial region, the temperature is very very high and the rainfall also very high. These equatorial forests thickly covered, thick and very very dense. Even the light, sun's rays also do not fall inside these forests. Therefore, these forests we call it as a dense forest. Therefore, this continent also we call it as a dark continent. Why Africa is a dark continent? Because of this. Why Africa is called as dark continent? Because of the thickly covered forest, that is equatorial forest. Even the entire rays, the sun's rays, such a powerful rays which comes from the sun, also do not pass through it. Yes. So therefore, African continent we call it as a dense forest, dense dark continent. We call it as a dark continent. Africa we call it as a dark continent because of the thick forests. That's why this name has come. Why Africa is called as a dense dark continent? Why Africa called as a dark continent? Because of the covering of the thick equatorial forest in this continent. Clear? Now we should know. Yes, I will repeat once again. Make a word. Check out all the countries. There are 13 countries, starting from Paraguay, Asuncion, Uruguay, Montevideo, Chile, Santiago, Argentina, Buenos Aires, Brazil, Brasilia, Venezuela, Caracas, Colombia, Bogota, Peru, Lima, Ecuador, Quito, Guyana, Georgetown, French Guiana, Cane, and Suriname, Paramaribo. This is the political map. Yes, this is the political map of South America. And now coming to the second one is subtropical region. We have discussed. Subtropical region lies 0 degrees to 30 degrees north and south of the equator. Subtropical region, that is 0 degrees to 30 degrees north and south of the equator. So in this zone, even if you take the Ganga and Brahmaputra deltas, also equally important like Amazon. You know, Ganga and Brahmaputra delta are formed due to the Ganga-Brahmaputra basins. All these two rivers, perennial rivers, we can say, the most important perennial rivers of India is Ganga and Brahmaputra. Both rises from Gangotri glacier near Manasarovar and flows into the different directions of the Indian subcontinent. So this Ganga and Brahmaputra also is, for example, if you take Ganga, holy river, it has various tributaries. This also you should know, the boys. Ganga has its own tributaries. What are those? Ganga, Gomati, Gagra, Gantak. Ganga, Gagra, Gomati, Gantak. Chambal, Betwa, Ken, Sun, Kosi. These are all the tributaries. These are all the tributaries of the river Ganga. So therefore, right, Ganga is, it has various branches. Yes, Ganga, Gomati, Gagra, Gantak. Ganga, Gomati, Gagra, Gantak. Chambal, Betwa, Ken, Sun, Kosi. Chambal, Betwa, Ken, Ken and Sun. These are all the tributaries of the river Ganga. Right? Now you come to the, even if you take Brahmaputra, yes. Gantak, yes, you take Gantak. Gantak if you take. Gantak and Kosi are the tributaries of Brahmaputra, yes. Or the tributaries of Brahmaputra. Right? These are also important deltas of the Indian subcontinent. This lies in the subtropical region. Subtropical region, that is 0 degrees to 10 degrees. 0 degrees to 10 degrees. Zero degrees to 10 degrees. 0 degrees to 30 degrees, sorry. Subtropical regions are 0 degrees to 30 degrees are both north and south of the equator. For example, if we see Ganga Basin, there are various important cities which are located on the bank of river Yamuna. Allahabad, Calcutta, Varanasi, Kanpur, right? Allahabad, Kanpur, Varanasi, Calcutta. All these cities, the historical cities, are located in the bank of the river Yamuna. Historical cities, the bank of river Yamuna. So therefore, right? Important cities which are situated in the river Ganga, yes. So Ganga has various tributaries like Ganga, Gomati, Gagra, Gantak, Chambal, Betwa, Ken, Sun. Okay. And moreover, if you see in this zone, Brahmaputra Delta, the most fertile delta is. Agriculture and industry is the most important activities. Agriculture, particularly in this zone, they cultivate rice, millets, jowar, ragi, bajra, sugarcane, groundnut, etc. The important crops growing in this delta, Ganga as well as Brahmaputra delta. At the same time, it is most holy places, tourism, yes. Every day-to-day life, thousands of people visits